Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Crypto Boy YouTube channel. Once again I'm here with a useful video where I will show you how you can redeem Shiba Inu coin from Binance Voucher. So everything I will cover in this video about Shiba Inu coin updates, Robinhood updates, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Before moving on, if you are new to this channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video, because every day we are uploading video about crypto mining, crypto trading and all updates about cryptocurrency. However, after this we will upload a video about NFT, which NFT marketplace is the best and how you can buy and create your own NFT. So never hesitate to like our video, type your ID in a comment section and share this video with all your friends. As I told you, in this video I will show you how you can redeem Shiba Inu coin voucher from Binance Voucher. So how you can claim free Shiba Inu coin on your Binance account. If we check the coin market cap, so still the Shiba Inu coin is in 13th position. The current price is 0.4 times 0.3163 and 24-hour the price just dropped about 3.22%. The market cap is 17 billion and the daily volume is 1 billion. Shiba Inu coin just listed in several exchanges, many exchanges like Coinbase, Bybit, Binance, many popular exchanges, but only the exchanges remain is Robinhood. We just Shiba Inu coin holders are still waiting when Robinhood exchange will list Shiba Inu coin. Here is the news that could Shiba Inu coin join Robinhood in January. If we check this article here, you can see the Shiba Inu coin cryptocurrency coin might join the Robinhood platform in January 2022, according to a new report. A Shiba Inu News Twitter account said it had spoken with an insider at Robinhood who was not named about the future of Shiba Inu coin. The insider said that executives believes there is a possibility SHIB will join Robinhood by January 2022. Here is the Twitter. Shiba Inu News just tweeted, breaking: while Robinhood app has not made any official announcement about listing SHIB, we are told by an insider that they are having an executive meeting at 3 p.m. ET today to discuss the possibility of listing Shiba Inu coin as well as 2-3 other cryptocurrency in January. So there is a possibility that Shiba Inu coin will be listed on Robinhood in next year, January 2022. So till the end of this 2021, so there is no possibility, there is no official announcement that Robinhood can list Shiba Inu coin on their exchange. I just checked a tweet that the owner of Shiba Inu coin just tweeted, now we don't need Robinhood to list Shiba Inu coin. So there is a tweet that they don't need the holders, the Shiba Inu holders, the Shiba Inu owners, the developers, now they don't need Robinhood to list their Shiba Inu coin, because still we have lots of holders. There are lots of e-commerce websites that accepted Shiba Inu coin as a payment. So now we don't need Robinhood to list Shiba Inu coin, but still holders are just waiting. They are just waiting that when Shiba Inu coin will be listed on Robinhood. But finally, let's check in January whether Robinhood will list Shiba Inu coin or no. The official Twitter of Shiba Inu coin now has 2.3 million followers. Make sure to follow its official Twitter and click on bell icon in order to be updated. So every update you will get in here about Shiba Inu coin, about Shiba Inu coin game that it is going to launch on 2022. And then everything you will get on their official Twitter. If we check the Shiba Inu coin weekly chart, here is a tweet. It attempt to break 0.4 times 0.5372 resistance and rejected. It is on 3214 support zone now. Targets are 5372, 6038 and 6705. So this is the target of Shiba Inu coin in weekly chart. So let's see in next week if we can see Shiba Inu coin on this price. Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin are both excellent long-term investments and great fun, but it seems the majority have more faith with Shiba Inu coin, and this 24 survey shows beyond doubt that Shiba Army is the greatest community. Here you can see which will reach the moon first, SHIB or Doge. So 91% of the holders or the user just give vote to Shiba Inu coin and 9% to Dogecoin. What I think now, Shiba Inu coin is better than Dogecoin because the holders are the holder just crossed 1 million, and there are many e-commerce websites that accepted Shiba Inu coin as a payment. So many exchanges just listed Shiba Inu coin like Bybit, Coinbase. So now what I think, Shiba Inu coin is better than Dogecoin. Establishment number 103 to accept Shiba Inu coin with payment method in Venezuela, a company specialized in billboards and everything related to advertising. They are here on Twitter with the name Publicord. Thank you very much for your support. Here now Shiba Inu coin is going to accept it as a payment to this Venezuela. So this is a specialized company in billboards. Welcome on board Shib token. Now you can use bank transfer to purchase Shiba Inu coin directly on get.io. So if you have account on get.io, so now you can directly buy Shiba Inu coin from using your bank transfer. Meanwhile, Shiba Inu coin is available for use on BitPay, Nivik and hundreds of other relators as a payment. There you can see the tweet of Elon Musk. Tesla they tweeted that Tesla just accepted Dogecoin as a payment. Tesla will make some merge viable with Doge and see how it goes. So after this tweets, Dogecoin just pumped about 20%, but there is a reply to Elon Musk that meanwhile Shiba is available on BitPay, Nivix and hundreds of other retailers, but Doge is only accepted as a payment by Tesla or Elon Musk. I know some of Shiba Inu holders are in a loss because they might purchase Shiba Inu coin from 40 or 50 or 60. But don't worry, just hold your Shiba Inu coin because one day you will be millionaire. Just wait for 1 year because the circulating supply of Shiba Inu coin is 589 trillion. That's why the price is not going up. So don't worry because the whole crypto market is in bearish. Just wait for January. After this you can see the whole market will pump and you can see many cryptocurrencies will make its all-time high. So as I told you in this video, I will show you how you can redeem a Shiba Inu coin voucher or how you can claim free Shiba Inu coin from Binance Voucher. Here last night I just get a notification, enjoy special bonus and rewards with Binance Vouchers, how to redeem a voucher. So you can check this to get more idea, but no, you don't need because in this video I will show you. Here you can see cash voucher, 20 ship, 20 ship, 20 ship. So I just get free 20 ship here. I think about 16, 18, 17 or 18 Shiba Inu coin I just get for free. Now how you can transfer this to your sport wallet, how you can redeem this free Shiba Inu coin to your sport wallet. Go to your Binance account, check a notification. You might get a free cash voucher, you might get Shiba Inu coin as a free. If you don't see any notification, just go to reward center. So check, you might get more Shiba Inu coin. I just get 20 ship as a per cash voucher, but check yourself, you might get more Shiba Inu coin. No one knows about it. So simply click on redeem and then redeem the vouchers to claim your reward. Click redeem. Now the Shiba Inu coin will be transferred to your sport wallet. Go to my sport account. Now I'm on sport wallet. Here you can see my Shiba Inu coin just transferred to my sport wallet. So like this you can redeem all your Shiba Inu coin voucher one by one, and you don't need to check one by one to your sport wallet whether to receive it or no. So definitely you will receive your Shiba Inu coin to your sport wallet. Simply click on redeem. Once again I will show you. So one by one you can click on redeem in order to get this cash voucher to your sport wallet. Simply click on redeem and then redeem. So now the Shiba Inu coin just transferred to my sport wallet, successfully redeemed. The reward will be soon created into your sport account. And then again click on redeem and then click redeem. Like this you can transfer your Shiba Inu coin to your sport account. So like this you can redeem any coin, not only Shiba Inu coin, like USDT cryptocurrency, any other cryptocurrency. So the same process you can apply to redeem it, to transfer it to your sport account on your Binance account. So make sure if you don't have Binance account till now, so just click on the description, click on Binance link, create your account, come to my team, so and then get reward, just cash out it to your spot wallet. So I hope you understand everything that I guide you in this video. So go to your Binance account, check whether you have received Shiba Inu coin voucher or no. Tell me in the comment section. If you receive reward, tell me yes. If you did not receive it, tell me no in the comment section. So if you have any question or problem regarding to how you can redeem any cryptocurrency from your Binance account, just ask me in the comment section. I will give your answer. So make sure to like our video, type your idea about this video in the comment section, and still did not subscribe to our channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.